Cheers to 14 years.
So we just got back to the room and we have this special setup for us. The staff here, the hospitality crew has been amazing, amazing. We told them it was our anniversary. The card says, wishing you a wonderful anniversary, filled with love, joy, and cherished memories. Thank you for choosing to celebrate this special occasion with us from the front desk team. And it's just so cute. And then they also gave us, pretty sure it's champagne. So champagne, we have some fruit. They also gave us like chocolate covered candies and fruit. It's so cute, y'all. It's the little things. Like when people say the hotels don't matter, they ain't talking to us.
Alright guys, we are on our next adventure. We are on our way to Robbie's Marina to go feed the tarpon fish.
Y'all stay tuned.
Look at the fish.
Ain't no way you Alright, now go like this. Make sure
You gotta go down a little bit.
She said some more soft. Oh, you dropped it.
Give me a minute. I'm a little bit brave.
I'm gonna switch places with you.
You got juice. Oh.
There's ketchup on it.
Oh, got it. Alright guys, I don't know if you know, But when you're in the Keys, you gotta get some key lime pie. Got to. So what'd you get?
So this is a love lock. You write your names or a message, and then you place it on this fence of chain. It has taffy in here, marker, and the lock. $20. If you come here, do it. Do it.
What is that for?
So anything that you want to release, I'll be vulnerable. I want to release the spirit of being broken. That's financially, that's spiritually, that's everything. Even though I feel like life has been peaceful, I want it to remain peaceful. So we're going to release anything that's broken so it can be built strong, solid, and so we can have the beautiful life we dream and deserve.